Hey, welcome to all. Today we are going to give you an unbiased review on the website that is Silkia.com. So, if you're curious to know about the review of this website, watch the video till the end. It is actually an online United States based store. It deals with women clothing. They have variety of clothes for women like short sleeves, midi dress, deep dive printed top, casual long sleeve shirt, V-neck sleeveless tops, vintage V-neck tops, sweaters printed and knitted, jackets and coats, sweatshirts and hoodies, jumpsuits and two-piece suits are available on this website. As far as different features of this website is concerned, this is HTTPS secured website. They have mentioned their email address for contact details, but that is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, there is no official address is mentioned on the website. No doubt social media handle is available on Instagram. You can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $79. You can return the damaged product within 7 working days. As far as positive points of this website is concerned, the site has a vast variety of chosen from proper privacy, shipping and return policy are mentioned on the official website. Track, order and frequency ask question page are there. Reviews found on another website also. The negative points of this website is that it was created on 16 March 2021, which is very new, doesn't instill any trust and raises doubts. The website trust rank is very bad, that is 1% along with minimal traffic. Mixed reviews are found on the other platform. The address of the credit card company is given not of its own office. The website is not correctly laid out. Social media handles are very new, with low engagement. So as far as authenticity of this website is concerned, it was created on 16 March 2021, which is very recent, and it is not entirely trustworthy. All the links and buttons present on the homepage are working correctly. The website has gained a trust rank of 1%, which points out its scam nature. Moreover, they have mixed reviews online. So, as far as customer reviews are concerned, we have found product reviews by customer or that is present on their official website, but on very few products, and all of them are very really positive, which is reality seems very less likely. No substantial reviews are present on social media. While searching the internet, we found that they were mixed, thus giving no solid proof of its legitimacy. So, in our final verdict, we can say that Silkia is a very recent made store registered on 16th March 2021 with very little traffic. Its trust rank is lowest, just 1%, which reduces any trust in it. Its social media handles are very new and engagement is very low. Product reviews are present on very few products. Other websites hosted mixed reviews, which further not clarifying its legitimacy. No official address is given. So, in our conclusion, we can say that Silkia is not a trusted, and thus no purchase should be made from this store.